Good morning, this is Jean Maureen Pilos, and here's my activity for embedded system, master slave classic Bluetooth connection. Here's the code for the ID, and here's the output. I have two ESP32 here. This is the master and this is the slave, and I also have the servo motor. The servo motor is connected to G4, and the middle part is connected to 5 volts, and the other one is connected to ground. So when I type the angle, the servo motor should follow what I type. For example, you type the 180, enter, 180, enter. Yan. So you can see more sample for 60 degree, and 45 degrees. And I will revert it back to 180 degrees. 180 and 90. 90 and enter. That's all.